Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're in the right chat now, so act. Tap the chat header to reveal search tools and options. This gives you localized search and faster results. Once done, note the exact date format WhatsApp displays. You'll match it when searching. Make sure to unarchive the chat if hidden, because archived threads can be skipped. If the chat is large, index building takes seconds. Wait for the app to finish, then move on to the targeted search step. Now perform the jump. Open in chat search and look for a calendar or jump to date control. Tap it and select the exact day. If that control isn't available, type the date phrase as shown in chat or enter a nearby keyword plus the year to force the index to the correct range. Once you land near the day, refine results. Add the sender's name, unique words, or emoji, and switch to media or link filters if you expect images or attachments. Finish by confirming timestamps and context. Scroll a little before and after the target message to verify accuracy, and then star or export any messages you need. If you need a permanent copy, forward to yourself, email, or use chat export. If the date jump fails, stop and restart the app, force close and reopen, or resync from backup. This rebuilds the search index. If problems persist, unarchive and reopen the chat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.